Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best women's garden gloves in a small size, the SLARMOR leather gardening gloves. If you're looking for durable, comfortable, and thorn-proof gloves designed specifically for gardening tasks like weeding, digging, planting, and pruning, these gloves might just be what you need. Right off the bat, these gloves stand out because they're made with microfiber leather, which offers excellent abrasion resistance to protect your hands from scratches, cuts, and prickly plants. The fingertips are reinforced, giving extra durability in those high-wear areas. This means you can confidently handle thorny bushes and rough soil without worrying about injury. Another great feature is the breathable fabric on the back of the hand. It's an elastic, stretchy material that allows for airflow, keeping your hands dry and comfortable even during longer gardening sessions. This mix of microfiber leather on the palm and breathable fabric on the back creates the perfect balance of protection and flexibility. So, your hands stay safe without feeling restricted. The design of these gloves is both practical and stylish. They feature a unique hummingbird pattern on the back, which adds a charming touch to your gardening gear. The elastic wrist cuff is snug but comfortable, helping to prevent dirt and debris from sneaking inside. Plus, there's a handy hanging cord at the wrist, so you can easily store them when you're done working. One standout innovation with these gloves is the touch screen capability built into the fingertips. This lets you use your smartphone or tablet without taking your gloves off, which is super convenient if you want to quickly check a gardening app or answer a call while outdoors. Sizing options include small and medium, making it easier to find a good fit for women with smaller hands. The gloves weigh just over 2 ounces, so they're lightweight enough for delicate tasks but still tough enough to handle more rigorous gardening work. These gloves are imported and come with hand wash care instructions, which means they are easy to maintain and can be reused season after season. Their dimensions make them compact and easy to pack in your gardening kit. In summary, the SLARMOR leather gardening gloves offer a durable, breathable, and flexible solution for anyone looking for reliable hand protection during gardening. They combine protective leather with breathable fabric, a secure elastic wrist, a charming design, and modern touchscreen functionality. If you're seeking the best women's garden gloves in a small size, these gloves provide a great balance of comfort, protection, and style to help you get the job done with confidence. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in these gloves, check them out and see how they fit into your gardening routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.